Did you guys realize this year was the 20th anniversary of the release of the very first Harry Potter movie? That whole wizarding world has just captured an audience worldwide. One of the biggest groups it's affected is probably the American millennials, because we grew up reading the books, watching the series as they were released, going to the book launches, all the things. And so for us, it's really ingrained in our childhood with so many happy memories. And that's kind of the inspiration for this tablescape. I thought, okay, well, what if I was in that class? Because let's be honest, we all wish we were part of that class that started with Harry in the book, in the movies. And so by now, you would have long graduated. You're part of Hogwarts alumni. And maybe you even have kids of your own at this point. So in my mind, I was like, how are we going to pay tribute to our houses from Hogwarts as adults? And I think this is a really fun, sophisticated way of doing it. We have black, we have mercury glass, we have silver, we have touches of green, and I think a few hidden surprises you're going to love. Here's how I did it. So getting started, I have this roll of mirror acrylic that I got on hecka good clearance for $1.49 at Hobby Lobby. It's nothing crazy. It's not a perfect mirror finish. I'm going to be honest, I'm sure you can probably get it from there or other places. I couldn't tell you where else to get it, but the internet has a lot of great options out there. I'm treating this as a runner because it has a nice felt background. Now I paid $8 for this tea light set from Goodwill, which is a little bit pricier than I think I normally would have liked, but I'm living for the mercury glass. I think that is perfect for the Slytherins. Now I have this black garland on hand from in the past, but I'll link below. And then I have mercury glass globes that were also something I had on hand. I'll link something similar, but I thought they were very reminiscent of some of the gazing balls, but keeping with that mercury glass that we have here, because I think the mercury glass lends itself to the Slytherin house styles. Now, if you have the opportunity to use something like this garland, make sure you twist it together for the best hiding of whatever candelabra you're using. Now, I have black plates from Goodwill. I have this fantastic twig flatware that I've reused a million times from Amazon, and I have these amazing vintage green glassware set that look perfect with my Slytherin colors: black, silver, and green. What else could you want? For just a touch more green, I'm using thrift store glass napkin rings, more thrift store candles. Can't go wrong with candles. And for just that extra little touch of Slytherin, I went ahead and got these fake snakes that are black with just a hint of green and a smidge of red. Not crazy about the red, but the green and black is what I was honing in on. And I loved sneaking them into this garland here. I think they're just a fun pop and call that Slytherin house back to attention. Now, there's a little blank in my white dining room, so what better way to represent than to fill the walls with Hogwarts house colors? So with that, I of course had to get my banner. So go Team Slytherin. And now with the candles and all the mercury glass and my gazing globes, this looks gorgeous. I think any Slytherin would probably love to dine here, especially as a sophisticated adult. But I think there's something here where the kids would love too. The mercury glass is really great because not only is it silver, which is part of the house colors, but the texture of the mercury glass really, really vibes with that snake-like texture that you don't want to be super obvious, but you want it to have that kind of vibe in the look. With the mirror acrylic runner, it just helps everything just glow that much more. So between the candlelight and the lights, it's dazzling. And I love that it also highlights the black area, making it look deeper in its reflections. So I'm thrilled. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I can't wait to hear about what you're doing for your 20th anniversary watch party, whether it's with yourself or friends. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Stay tuned for more videos in the future.